Hi there, welcome back to Viskon 16, and here is how you can make a free tenon on your beam head. For this action you can click on the rebating beam head as a tenon command, click this tool and select one of your beams, and now here in the window you can change the size of this tenon as you wish. As you can see, it is changing the depth, the width, the offset as you want. Of course, you can make an angular shape, radius, different kinds of radiuses, or you can set your own if you want. You can change the side where it belongs, and you can play with it. You can create different shapes and any kind of tenon you may want to use. You can make complex ones by ticking this checkbox, additional rebating, and let's say that I want to make a bigger tenon, maybe 15 centimeter depth. The width will be 10 centimeters. Let's say it is 2.5 centimeters offset, something like this. Okay, click OK and click again on your beam, and now I want to make a smaller one just on the tip, let's say 5 centimeters with I'd say 5 centimeter radius. And as you can see, on top of my previous editing, I created another shape using the radius, and now I can edit this as well as I want. Can make something like this, or this, or as you like, something like this. So it's basically almost limitless what kind of shapes you want to and you could make in here. And that's how you can make a free tenon on your beam heads.